Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Band 7 to an iPhone. First, download the Huawei Health application from the Apple App Store. Make sure your Huawei Band 7 is fully charged and powered on. Next, enable Bluetooth on your iPhone through the Settings menu. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth setup process, ensuring both devices are ready for pairing and communication. Once the app is installed, open it and navigate to the Devices section. Tap on Add Device and then select Smart Bands, specifically choosing the Huawei Band 7 from the list. Your iPhone will then send a pairing request. Confirm this request on both your iPhone and directly on the screen of your Huawei Band 7 to establish the connection. After successful pairing, you'll need to grant essential permissions to the Huawei Health app. This includes access to your location, notifications, and background app refresh. Allowing the app to run in the background ensures continuous data syncing for your steps, heart rate, and sleep. You can also customize which app notifications appear on your band. If you encounter any connection issues, try restarting both your iPhone and the Huawei Band 7. Always ensure the Huawei Health app is updated to its latest version for optimal performance and bug fixes. For a stable connection, keep your devices within Bluetooth range, typically up to 10 meters or about 33 feet. These tips help maintain a reliable link.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.